Hey, what's up fellas? It's your boy Gab coming again with another video, and it's been a while since I last did a Menlo Club unboxing. That's probably because I haven't done a video in such a while, but anyways, I'm excited for today's month because it is New Republic month, and you guys know that I love New Republic. But it almost seems like the UPS and the FedEx guys been picking up my packages because lately I've been seeing them like kind of with tape around it and using the same adhesive that the bag uses to ship it back. But anyways, if you guys want to get your package for $20 so you can start picking to see what's inside, you could get one of your own. I have a link in the description where you could get your first month for $20. Normally this runs for like $60, but if you sign up for the first time, you get it for 20 bucks. Alright, and today it is New Republic theme. So without being said, let's get right into it because I can't wait to check this out. Alright, New Republic. Alright, so first off, we got the New Republic canvas sneakers, and I'm happy that I got some white Kurt. Well, these are the Elroys. Now they were like the Kurt sneakers, which they pretty much are the same, but these are called the Elroy. And I'm glad I got these in the white colorway because I think you could also get them on the black colorway. And I was hoping to get this one because I actually lost my Kurt sneakers. Can you believe that? And I tried to get them again, and they don't even have my size. But now that I got these, I'm excited. So here they are. The New Republic Elroy. It's your Uncle Elroy. Let me see. So here they are. So they look fresh, clean, exactly like the Kurt sneakers, just in the canvas. It has a waffle outs on the bottom, padded insoles, and the wax shoelaces. They actually have wax shoelaces. You guys don't ever try the wax shoelaces? Well, they pretty much help your shoes getting on tight. So that's what's good about wax shoelaces. And now the canvas backpack. Yes, it's a good thing that I got a canvas backpack because I am going to San Diego next week, and I do need a little backpack to go out traveling. And I like this little keychain that says New Republic. I kind of actually like the other one better with their signature logo with the orange and blue, kind of like this one right here. But I'm okay with this one because keychains do tend to get dirty really quick, so I'm happy with the bag. And also I got this button down shirt that's gonna go great with my New Republic Chelsea boots. Oh, and for those of you, they have the New Republic New Republic Chelsea boots for $70 if you're not a member, and if you're a member you can actually get them for like 60 bucks, I believe, and that's a steal. So guys, hopefully I get this video out by tomorrow so you guys can take advantage of the New Republic that they have on sale going on, because it is 5-4 anniversary. The Menlo House is celebrating 17 years of the 5-4, and they're doing a lot of promos and all this cool stuff on their Instagram. You should go check them out, because I managed to get myself a $100 promo code, and I managed to get that new just for New Republic Chelsea boots that they have. I'll be doing a review on those. And now we got this nice polo, black polo, also with a collaboration with New Republic because it is a New Republic theme. So guys, this is good quality because it even has this elastic going around with the collar, which is good for those of you that like to button the whole shirt up, which I don't. But you know, it's good to know that it has the stretchy material because it shows how good of a quality this shirt is. So what I'm gonna do today is try on this polo shirt with some track pants and canvas sneakers, and I'm gonna go ahead and explore LA because it's such a beautiful day today, and why not? So with that being said, let's try this baby on.